making smoothies at home is easy, affordable, and could be healthier than buying ready-made smoothies, which contains highly added sugar. By adding a smoothie maker to your lineup of kitchen gadgets, you can whip up smoothies in a jiffy while having total control over the ingredients you use. To enhance your smoothie making experience, you must have a perfect smoothie maker that can crush ice into a drinkable slush, cut through frozen fruits, and pulverize most fibrous produce into a smooth liquid. So in today's video, we have rounded up the best 5 smoothie makers that can give you the pleasure of a perfectly blended smoothie. So without further ado, let's dive into the video.
At Kitchen Gadget Zone, we are food enthusiast people and love to play with different kitchen tools. We test, analyze, and research innovative kitchenware and gadgets to create a shopping guide for every category based on price, quality, feature, and user feedback. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice.
Stylish and convenient, presenting the VonShef UltraBlend Smoothie Maker, an incredible device that can offer you the most delicious smoothie with a breeze. Under the base, it comes with a powerful 1000-watt motor and a razor-sharp stainless steel pro extractor blades, making the blending process faster and keeping all the nutrients intact so you can enjoy smooth, pulp-free drinks. This smoothie maker offers cups with lids to prevent spills that enable you to take your smoothies wherever you go and lets you remain worry-free. When it comes to blending ice, the UltraBlend is more than ready because it can effortlessly crush through cubes for refreshing chilled drinks. With a matte black body and sleek design, this dishwasher-safe blender can adjust to your lifestyle with ease, making it perfect for those who live a busy life. Looking for an effective smoothie maker that won't cost a ton? Then the VonShef UltraBlend Smoothie Maker would be a sound choice. Diversify your drinking experience with the NutriBullet, a compact yet versatile blender that can whip up smoothies in a flash. Packed with 250 watts high-torque power base, the NutriBullet can make your favorite smoothies, omelets, sauces, and dips effortlessly with no time. The NutriBullet can be your personal food processor as it can chop, blend, whip, grind, and more with just a simple twist of the wrist. It's very easy to use, and all you have to do is just load your ingredients into the cup and then place it on top of the base, and the motor will be immediately activated when you press down on the top of the cup. It's a dishwasher-safe smoothie maker, which is very easy to clean. Just rinse with soap and water and your job is done. If you're looking for a device that can make a quick and easy smoothie, then the NutriBullet blender is a perfect solution for you. Discover the future of blending with Nutri Fresh Vac Smoothie Maker, a perfect companion for your daily life that helps you to enjoy fresh and smooth drinks every day. It offers Fresh Vac technology that draws out oxygen before you blend and locks vitamins that provide you with a brighter, smoother, and creamier flavored drink while creating less foam and less separation than traditional blenders. Equipped with a 1000-watt motor and Ninja's patented Pro extractor blades, this blender allows you to blend whole fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and ice effortlessly. It features a unique Auto IQ technology that enables you to achieve smooth and consistent results all the time with a simple press of a button. The Nutri offers high-quality cups with a spout lid, so make fresh, ice-cool drinks straight into your Ninja Nutri cup and take your smoothie on the go. With a combination of quality and performance, the Nutri Smoothie Maker is a fantastic product that can provide you with the perfect smoothies all the time. Meet the original NutriBullet, a compact personal blender that can provide you the finest nutrient-packed smoothies to ensure your healthier lifestyle. Packed with a 600-watt motor and refined stainless steel nutrient extraction blades, this NutriBullet can blend whole foods into liquid fuel for your body within seconds. The cups of this smoothie maker are made from BPA-free plastic, which makes it shatterproof and keeps your drink healthy and hygienic as well. It comes with a simple, intuitive design and features eschewed buttons, make it very easy to use that can enhance your smoothie making experience. Cleaning is easy with the NutriBullet, as you just have to twist off the blades, rinse it with soap and water, and put the cups on the top rack of the dishwasher. The NutriBullet is an outstanding smoothie maker that can turn your favorite fruits and vegetables into a delicious smoothie in a very convenient way. Enjoy a delicious smoothie with a Breville BBL 620 SIL, a blender with a powerful motor that can quench your smoothie thirst anytime. This blender comes with a surgical-grade serrated ice crushing blade that combines power and functionality to crush and chop ice for perfect and creamy smoothies. Featuring a 1300-watt torque motor and a blade design, the Breville delivers quiet and efficient blending performance for a more extended period so that you can achieve amazingly smooth blending results always. It features pre-programmed buttons like an illuminated smoothie, green smoothie, and ice crush that enable you to enjoy a delicious drink with the touch of a button. The LCD counts up on speed settings and down for pre-programmed settings for complete control when blending. The Breville BBL 620 SIL is the perfect choice for anyone looking to take their blending to the next level with the access to a really high performance capability. So that was all about the best 5 smoothie makers. Thank you for watching our video. Like, comment, and share if you find the video helpful, and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this.